2003 1.8T. It's a not so nice sound after doing the cam chain tensioner. Makes me very sad. And here's the extent of it here. Pretty loud. I really don't like this sound. I'm really hoping you can tell me it's going to go away if I let it run, but I don't really want to let it run for too long. It's a very unpleasant sound. So I hope you all can help me.